I saw this creepy video rack up over 145 million views almost instantly. And no, there is nothing fancy about it. Just dead, silent, nostalgia, iconic movie characters. And for some reason, people cannot stop watching. These videos are quietly farming millions of views. And yes, a stupid amount of money from the TikTok creativity program. So I decided to be annoying and reverse engineer the whole thing. I recreated the exact same style using one AI tool. I automated the entire workflow. And the result was wild. A flashlight hitting Shrek's face in total darkness. A filthy statue abandoned in a trashed room. A green figure frozen at the end of a dark hallway. That feels wrong to look at. Same vibe, same tension, same scroll stopping effect. Then I pushed it further. I started remixing viral TikToks by literally copying their link, pasting it into a single magic tool, and generating a brand new version that feels original but performs like the original. If you're new here, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe. Let's dive in. Chapter 1, breaking down viral horror shorts. To recreate these viral clips as fast as possible, I used a preset template made specifically for this style inside the Corpy AI tool. Go to the link in the description and sign up. Once you are inside the dashboard, you will see the currently trending templates, things like AI Story, Roblox Rent, and others. But I only care about one thing right now. I want to test this template and see if it can generate the exact creepy, nostalgic videos we are after. Now let's set our video idea. You can customize this and write your own prompt describing the scary scene you want to create. Or take the easy route. Click Random Story Idea and let the AI do the thinking for you. Hit Generate Random Story Ideas. In just a few seconds, you will see several story concepts built around haunting, nostalgic scenes. This gives you concepts that are already extremely close to what is going viral. I am choosing Abandoned Shrek. Let's move on. Now it is time to generate the scary scenes. You can choose any image generator you want from the list. I am sticking with the default one called Nano Banana. It is my personal favorite. Next, set the video duration. You can choose anywhere from 15 seconds up to 60 seconds. Now hit Generate Scenes and wait. No prompt engineering. No generating scenes one by one. In a moment, you will see the results. Shrek transformed into something eerie and unsettling. Dark, abandoned, mascot horror energy. Now your scary scenes are ready, but to make this feel real, we need to animate them. For each scene, click the Animate button right here. Within seconds, your static image starts moving. If you want to save time, just click Animate All. Set the duration of each clip based on the credits you have available. For the animation model, you have access to some of the most advanced video generators. You can even try the VO3 model if you want clips with built-in audio and sound effects. I'm going to keep it on Cdance. Now hit Animate All. In just a few minutes, every image is fully animated. Once that is done, click Next. You can add background sound if you want. Just make sure it is copyright free, especially if you plan to post on YouTube. Finally, hit Generate Video. And just like that, your first creepy viral style video is done. And honestly, this looks amazing. Now I had another idea. Chapter 2, remixing videos into original stories. I wanted to recreate this story video with millions of views. And this is the easiest method I have ever found. First, copy the link of the video, go back to Corpy, and select a different template called AI Story. For the script step, click Generate with AI. From these scripting options, select Remix Script. This feature is insanely powerful. It lets you recreate viral videos from TikTok or YouTube and turn them into something unique to you. Since we are using a TikTok video as the reference, select TikTok. Paste the link right here. Corpy will automatically download the video, transcribe the script, and intelligently remix it so it is not a copy. Once your script is ready, select the visual art style. I am going with dark cartoon. Hit Next. Now choose your image generation model. Again, I am using Nano Banana. Set your transition style and generate the full story. If you want, you can animate all the scenes exactly the same way we did in the first example. Then click Next. Add a background sound. Adjust the voice speed and pitch from here. Choose a voiceover character. There are a lot of high-quality voices here. Pick one and hit Generate Video. In just seconds, your video is ready. And honestly, this looks better than the original.
Did you know that after Tupac was shot, Snoop rushed to his side and Tupac called him a bitch for fainting? It was September 7th, 1996. A night at the Mike Tyson fight at the MGM Grand turned into a turning point. Tupac and his crew fought Orlando Anderson, a Southside Crips member.
The quality, the animation, everything feels cleaner and more professional. Now you are ready to upload to YouTube or TikTok. But wait, there is more. You can let Corpy create and post videos for you while you are literally sleeping. Chapter 3, full autopilot publishing across platforms. Just click here and enable autopilot mode. Create your first campaign, name it, pick your niche, choose how many days or months you want to post, and set the exact daily posting time. Next, select the platform like YouTube or TikTok, connect your account, and authorize access. Once that is done, you are finished. Corpy will create and post videos for you every single day on autopilot. I check the channel after the scheduled scheduled time, and the first video was already live with titles and descriptions fully automated. If you want to try this tool, you can start for around $11 and run fully automated content for an entire month. If this tutorial helped you, hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.